You've sent a set of clauses from your document to a colleague for review. Now you've got two versions of your document and hours of manually copying and pasting revisions ahead of you to create a new master document. Well, not anymore. Introducing the new reincorporation of reference reports feature in Definely Draft. Automatically sync changes from multiple sources back to your master document with a click, all while maintaining track changes. I'm Theo, Senior Product Manager here at Definely. I'm going to show you the full workflow, starting in the master document. I want to send all of Clause 2 to a colleague for review. I'm still working on the wider document, and I could do with their expertise in this section. I'll use the reference report feature in Draft. I can select all of Clause 2 and click Export to create a new document containing only Clause 2 and any related definitions that are needed to understand it, and then send it off to my colleague. Now let's pretend I'm a colleague for a second. I'm going to make some changes to this document. I'm going to fill out some incomplete information, maybe tweak some wording, and maybe even delete something that is no longer relevant. Okay. I've made a few small changes, and now I'm back in the master document. I can go to the link docs area, where Definely will automatically detect any documents that are open in Word, then select the exported references file and link it together. Now, clicking the Merge button will start the process of syncing changes. Definely first checks that it recognizes the document and that it was originally created from the master file we have open. It then compares the contents and syncs the changes while maintaining track changes automatically, so you never lose any information. If it doesn't recognize the contents of the document, then the Merge button won't appear, so you won't accidentally try to stitch together two unrelated documents. And there you go. As you can see, the changes that I made have synced over, and we now have an updated master document compiling all the track changes ready for me to review. Save time and improve accuracy with reincorporation of reference reports in Definely Draft. To learn more about Definely, visit definely.com.